Let's dive into the exciting world of AI video tools and explore how they can supercharge your online earning potential. Get ready to unlock new possibilities and join the AI revolution. Now, I want you to imagine a world where you can generate multiple streams of income from the comfort of your home. A world where time and technical expertise are no longer barriers to success. That world is not a distant fantasy. It's closer than you think, and it's within your reach. One of the most effective strategies to achieve this is by creating and sharing valuable video content. But I know what you might be thinking. You're probably worried about the time and effort required to produce high-quality videos. Fear not, my friend, because that's where AI video tools come to the rescue. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, AI video tools are at the forefront of innovation, bridging the gap between imagination and reality. They enable anyone, regardless of their technical background, to create professional-looking videos in minutes. It's like having a personal video assistant that works tirelessly to bring your creative vision to life. But why stop there? Let's take it a step further. What if I told you that you could not only create videos faster than ever before, but also monetize them effortlessly? Yes, you heard that right. You can turn your video content into a lucrative income stream without the need for traditional monetization methods. So, how exactly does it work? Well, it's surprisingly simple. Create compelling video content using AI video tools and share it on various online platforms. As your audience grows, so does your earning potential. You can monetize your content through brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, or even direct sales. Now, I want to share a real-life success story with you. A wise entrepreneur recognized the power of video content and took action. Using AI video tools, she created a series of informative and engaging videos on personal finance. She shared these videos across various online platforms and built a loyal audience of over 10,000 followers. Her dedication paid off when she landed a lucrative brand partnership, earning over $5,000 in just 1 month. And the best part, she achieved all this while working only a few hours a week. That's not all. This savvy entrepreneur didn't stop there. She leveraged her growing influence to create a thriving online business. She developed and sold her own digital products, such as online courses and ebooks, all based on the valuable content she had already created. Her business revenue skyrocketed to over $20,000 per month, and she became a full-time entrepreneur, all thanks to her strategic use of AI video tools. I want you to take a moment and think about the possibilities. Imagine having the freedom to earn a substantial income by simply sharing your knowledge and expertise. Imagine being able to spend more time with your loved ones or pursuing your passions without the financial worries. It's not just a dream. It's a reality that many have already achieved. It's important to note that while AI video tools can significantly accelerate your success, they are just one piece of the puzzle. To truly thrive, you need to combine them with a solid strategy, consistent effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. As we wrap up this journey, I want to leave you with a powerful message. Don't wait another day to start your online earning adventure. Embrace the power of AI video tools and unleash your earning potential. The time is now. Take action. Embrace the future of online earning and start your journey towards financial freedom today. If you have any questions or thoughts, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep creating, keep sharing, and keep earning. Stay tuned for more exciting content.